Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making sugar-free sweet and sour dressing. This is another one of those recipes that I found among my mother-in-law's recipe collection, and if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is 1 cup of sugar, or in my case Splenda, 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 cup of vinegar. I like red wine vinegar. You can use it whatever kind you like. 1/3 cup of ketchup. 1 to 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, and a small onion. I only have regular onion, so I'm going to use about 1/4 of that. And it needs to be sliced thin. And you need a blender. Okay, what I'm going to do now is peel and slice 1/4 of this onion, and everything's going to go into a blender. Okay, there's the 1 cup of Splenda, and 1 cup of the olive oil. And you could certainly use vegetable oil if you prefer that. I just happen to really like the taste of the extra virgin olive oil, so I use that a lot. 1/2 cup of the vinegar, and like I said before, I like red wine vinegar. You can use any vinegar that you like. Okay, 1/3 cup of the ketchup. And I always use an off-brand because I have found that they are sweeter and less tart than the big name brand like Heinz. Alrighty, this is 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Sometimes I like 2. Most of the time I just use the 1. And this is 1 teaspoon of the salt. And this was the 1/4 of an onion. And I've got that chopped, not finely, but okay, I'm going to put this on, I'm going to start off with a pulse, and then I'm going to bring it up to a smooth and let it go until all of the onions are chopped up. And the pulse just helps to break down the onions a little easier. Okay, now I'm going to let it go on smoothie extract. It's a high setting, and I'm going to let it go until all of the onions are I don't know if you can see. That is definitely smooth. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to chill this for about an hour or longer, and then I can use it on a salad. So we'll be back after it's been chilled. Okay, I've been chilling this for about 45 minutes. So, give it a little shake here. It seems to be staying pretty well mixed up though. And we're going to put a little bit on the salad, and I'm going to give it a taste and let you know what I think. Okay, we're going to give this a try and see how it is. I cannot believe how many recipes I found among all of my mother-in-law's things. I'm going to be cooking forever, and it'll be something new every time. Oh my, that is really, really good. A little oniony. I think next time I'll use about 1/8 of an onion, but then again, I don't really care for onions that much. But this dressing is amazing. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.